The Motorola RMU2080D is a 2-watt, 8-channel two-way radio, which possesses enhanced audio quality, a rugged design, and versatile customer programming software, so that you may utilize this handheld for several different applications. Two industries which benefit from the RMU2080D are construction as well as manufacturing due to its durability, along with the high-powered accessories, which enhance the clarity and life of your two-way radio system. One of the most popular accessory options is the earpiece, which allows for clearer audio as well as hands-free communication. Here are a few different options for the RMU2080D. The TwoWire Surveillance Kit earpiece is a great option for those requiring more concealed communications, such as security teams. Easily share this earpiece among employees with a replaceable clear coil and memory foam ear tip. The Motorola RMU2080D G-Hook earpiece is a rugged yet very comfortable option, as it forms to the ear and can be switched from left to right depending on preference. This earpiece is also easily able to be cleaned off and maintained. Lastly, the DShell Earpiece was created as an option for those working in environments that require more durability. Construction and manufacturing settings are examples of appropriate applications for this DShell, as it forms a more solid attachment to the ear. All three of these earpieces possess the M1 connector, which is the part that plugs into the audio port of the RMU2080D handheld. Here are just a few tips when utilizing these accessories with your two-way radios. Plug the earpiece in before powering on the radio. Make sure that the wire is facing up when plugging in the accessory. Push hard enough to feel or hear a click when attaching the earpiece to the radio. Power down your radio before detaching the accessory, simply to get into the habit of only connecting or disconnecting while the radio is powered down. Enhance your RMU2080D communications by making them hands-free. For more information on these Motorola RMU2080D earpieces, give us a call at 888-742-5893 or check us out online at twowaydirect.com.